everyone. Today I'm going to feature the Mighty Steam Engine, which is a picture book written by Yvonne Ng and illustrated by Richard Smythe. Yvonne Ng, the author, is an engineer, and she's also a poet, and so we're featuring this in honor of National Poetry Month. And this book is really unique in that it combines how a steam engine works and also lots of poetic elements. So as it starts out, this is actually the second page, there's lots of rhyming words. It opens with, how does it, a steam engine pulls a train far and wide, but what makes the engine work deep inside? These are the wheels that roll over the track, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. But how do the wheels keep rolling like that? This is the crank pin stuck on the wheel tight, rotating fast. When it's pushed around just right, it turns the big wheels that roll on the track, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. But how does the crank pin get pushed like that? This is the piston which moves back and forth, going chug-a-chug-chug as the train travels north. It pushes the crank pin stuck on the wheel tight, rotating fast. When it's pushed around just right, that turns the big wheels that roll on the track, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. But why does the piston chug-a-chug like that? You can see here that there is a scientific diagram highlighting how all of the parts of the train work together. And every page has a question that leads into the next part of the train. And so the whole book is kind of like reverse engineering, starting with the motion that we can see with the wheels, and then going through and adding a part on each page. And then the poetic repetition really helps young kids learn, and there's kind of a rhythm even to the book that evokes the sound of a train as you go. There's also an author's note in the back about reverse engineering and how to do that with your kids. And so check out the free ebook and read the book with your kids, and we hope you enjoy it. Thanks.